Hello, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, today we are going to talk about a poem on five little chickens. So, the title of the poem is Five Little Chickens. Okay, so let's know before starting the poem. Okay, so dear friends, we have some chickens, and chickens are the poultry birds. Okay, so do you know what is the poultry birds? Okay, what is poultry? So as you know, dear friends, do as all birds kept for meat or eggs are known as poultry. Okay, so जो बर्ड्स उनके मांस के लिए और अंडों के लिए रखे जाते हैं, उनको पाला जाता है, उनको पोल्ट्री बर्ड्स कहा जाता है. ओके, सो हियर सम आर द पिक्चर्स ऑफ पोल्ट्री बर्ड्स. दिस इज डक. ओके, दिस इज पिजन, स्पेशली यूज फॉर मीट. देन दिस इज goose. Okay, this is turkey. Okay, and then this is hen. Okay, so all these birds are poultry birds. Okay, dear friends, now we are here going to talk about five little chickens. Okay, so chickens, these are five little chickens here in this poem, and they have some wish, and they wish their mother what they would like to eat. Okay, so यहाँ पर in the picture you can see one chicken, two chicken, third chicken, and on the next page the two more chickens are there, and they wish that what will they have in the for their eating. Okay, so there are five little chickens. So dear friends, listen carefully. First I am reading. Okay, later I will going to explain it. So here is the poem. Said the first little chicken with a strange little squirm, I wish I could find a fat little worm. Said the second little chicken with a painful hungry gaze, I wish I could find a fat grain of maize. Said the third little chicken with a sharp little squeal, I wish I could find some nice little meal. Okay, dear friends, here on page next number, said the fourth little chicken with a sigh of grief, I wish I could find a little green leaf. The another fifth chicken said the fifth little chicken with a faint little cry, I wish I could find a little grain of rye. So all these five chickens said something, wished something, and what the mother said? Now see here, said the mother, from the green garden patch, if you want your breakfast, just come here and scratch. Okay, so dear friends, here this is the poem about five little chickens. They wish in front of their mother chicken, mother hen. Okay, कि उन्हें खाने के लिए क्या चाहिए. अब हम पोएम को जानेंगे और समझेंगे. So dear friends, there are five little chickens, and in this poem, this each and every chicken wants to eat something in their breakfast. Okay, so each one wish that they must have something. So what did they say? Let's see. Said the first little chicken with a strange little squirm. Okay, so with a strange little squirm. So dear friends, what is the first little chicken? यहाँ पे जो first little chicken होता है, आप you can see here what What did she say? So scum, it is a painful, बहुत ही दर्द कराती हुई, okay, breathing, uncomfortable moment, okay, with a strange little scum, पेन से कहती है, I wish I could find a fat little worm. वो विश करती है कि काश मुझे एक फैट लिटिल इंसेक्ट मिल जाता, वर्म, ओके, एक फैट लिटिल मुझे खाने में मिल जाता तो मज़ा आ जाता, ओके. देन नेक्स्ट इन दिस इज द फर्स्ट लिटिल चिकन सेड, ओके, आई विश आई कुड फाइंड अ फैट लिटिल वर्म. ऑलराइट डियर फ्रेंड्स, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट डिड द सेकंड लिटिल चिकन सेड. Said the second little chicken with a painful hungry gaze, okay, with a painful hungry gaze. This another second little chicken was also very hungry, okay, and with a gaze, you know, gaze, a long steady look, means it was staring, okay, due to hunger, okay. So with a painful hungry gaze, I wish I could find a fat grain of maize, okay. So कि मुझे कोई धान्य का, ग्रेन का, मेज का दाना मिल जाता बहुत बड़ा तो बहुत अच्छा होता. आई विश आई कुड फाइंड अ फैट ग्रेन ऑफ मेज. सो इन दिस वे सेकंड लिटिल चिकन विश्ड. नाउ द अनदर थर्ड वन, व्हाट डिड इट विश? लेट्स से. सेड द थर्ड लिटिल चिकन विथ अ शार्प लिटिल स्क्विल, ओके, स्क्विल शार्प बहुत ही तेज, अ लॉन्ग हाई क्राई, जोर से चिल्लाया, ओके. What did it wish? Said the third little chicken with a sharp little squeal, I wish I could find some nice little meal. Okay, the third one wants that he wished that as the human being is taking food, meal, complete meal, he wanted such type of meal, okay. I wish I could find some nice little meal. कुछ मिल जाता अच्छा इंसानों जैसा तो मज़ा आ जाता, ओके डियर फ्रेंड्स. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट. हियर द फोर्थ वन सेड द फोर्थ लिटिल चिकन, विथ अ साई ऑफ ग्रीफ, बहुत ही सैडनेस, विथ अ सैड, it's a feeling of great sadness, okay. This fourth one was looking very sad, and what did it wish? So it wished, I wish I could find a little green leaf, okay. वो विश करता है कि काश मुझे कुछ हरे पत्ते खाने को मिल जाती, लिटिल ग्रीन लीफ, सो आई वुड बी मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन, ओके. एंड देन द लास्ट वन, द फिफ्थ लिटिल चिकन said the fifth little chicken with a faint little cry, okay. Faint means थोड़ा एकदम भूख के कारण, due to hunger, he was tired, okay, and he could not speak loudly. Said the fifth little chicken with a faint little cry, धीरे धीरे चिल्लाया, I wish I could find a little grain of rye, okay. So it's rye, a kind of food grain used to feed animals, okay. So जो फूड होता है एनिमल्स को, छोटे छोटे दाने ब्लैक कलर के, तो ऐसे कुछ मिलते मुझे तो काश मुझे भी खाने के लिए कुछ राई के दाने मिल जाते तो अच्छा होता. तो इन दिस वे सेड द फिफ्थ लिटिल चिकन विथ अ फेंट लिटिल क्राई. फेंट मीन्स वेरी वीक, ओके, बहुत ही धीमी आवाज़ में, ओके. आई विश आई कुड फाइंड अ लिटिल ग्रेन ऑफ राई, ओके, काइंड ऑफ फूड ग्रेन यूज टू फीड एनिमल्स. सो that is the wish of fifth chicken, okay. So in this way each and every little chicken had wished something. The first one had wished for the worm, the second wished for the fat grain of maize, the third one is for the nice little meal, and then fourth one is wishing for the little green leaf, and the fifth one is wishing for the grain of rye, okay. So in this way each and every little chicken wish something. And then what did mother say here? This is the mother hen. Now see here, said the mother, from the green garden patch, okay. Oh, green garden ki patch, what is the meaning of patch here dear friends? Small area of something, okay. So what did the mother say? So now see here, देखो बच्चों इधर देखो, said the mother from the green garden patch, if you want your breakfast just come here and scratch अगर तुम्हें तुम्हें सब कुछ मिलेगा, बट ऐसे ही नहीं मिलेगा। इफ़ यू वांट योर ब्रेकफास्ट, अगर आप अपना ब्रेकफास्ट करना चाहते हो, तुम जो विश अपनी पूरी करना चाहते हो, जस्ट कम हियर, तुम यहाँ आओ एंड स्क्रैच। यू नो स्क्रैच डियर फ्रेंड्स, स्क्रैच मीन्स नोचना या कुरेदना, रब समथिंग विथ नेल्स और समथिंग शार्प। सो जो बर्ड्स होते हैं ओके, वो इंसेक्ट्स वर्म्स खाते हैं मिट्टी में से, तो वो स्क्रैच करते हैं ज़मीन को, मिट्टी को, गीली मिट्टी को। जस्ट कम हियर एंड स्क्रैच। Okay, so in this way mother said to all 5 little chickens. Okay dear friends, in this poem what did we learn? We learn about the 5 little chickens. Each chicken has its wish for the breakfast, that they must have these things. Okay, the first little chicken wanted to have a fat worm. The second little chicken wanted a fat grain of maize. So the third chicken wanted some nice little meal just like human being. So while the fourth little chicken wanted a little green leaf for breakfast, and the fifth one wanted the little grain of rye in breakfast, so that they can, each and every has something different in their demand, they wish something different. Okay, and the mother said ki if you want all these things, so you have to come here and you have to scratch the ground in the garden. Okay, so dear friends, this is the poem about 5 little chickens. I hope you have understood the poem. So you have to read at your home this poem, enjoy this poem, and then you can do the activity. Okay, so dear friends, thank you for watching and listening. Thank you and have a nice day.